Peterson here again with you. Mark Higgins on the camera as always. We're going to show you some of the steps that go into making our machine what it is, the most precise and profitable in the industry. We start with a heavy-duty solid steel table. This is not some cheap industrial cart. This machine could handle the weight of an elephant, or the table rather. Solid center shaft, high-speed industrial bearings. We want you to take a look at this plate here. This plate on top is made onto the shaft. It's turned on a lathe. It's essentially perfectly flat and at a 90-degree to the shaft itself. Then what we do is we put the upper plate on and we dial indicate the upper plate, as you can see here. And what that ensures, we get it within maybe 10/1000ths of an inch, which is a couple of human hair widths. And that means that both plates are what we call coplanar in the engineering business. That means that the plates are essentially perfectly parallel to each other. Therefore, when we get our lower arms in, the lower arms are all coming off the same plane. The upper disc, where the upper arm's on, parallel to the lower arms, going to be very, very precise. Okay? Let me bring you over to the dial indicator, where we actually dial indicate each individual arm. This granite block is essentially perfectly flat for all intents and purposes. And what we do, we take a dial indicator and we actually check the run out from left to right on the arm as such. One side of the arm, there's the lowest side, we set to 0. Here's the other side of the arm, basically 1, maybe 2, okay? Then we come to the end of the arm with a magic marker and we mark the run out, 0, 1. That means that we have 1/1000th of an inch twist in the arm. The reason we do this is that we come back over here to the table. When we put the arms onto the table, all the arms that have the same amount of twist in them all go onto the same machine, so that you have all the arms with 0 1s and 0 2/1000ths. That's not even a human hair width. They all are on the same machine. That means when you get out here to the platen, each platen is at the exact same elevation and the exact same pitch. Therefore, it makes setting up a screen perfectly simple, right? You're going to be at the exact same elevation, the exact same pitch. Let's walk over here to Wayne Shiflett. And by the way, our company is made up of basically mechanical engineers and master machinists. That's what we do. We're a small company. We, as you can see around the shop here, we basically machine everything that goes into our machines. We have some sub-assemblies that are done prior to getting here, but everything is machined and dial indicated to make sure that everything is perfect. That's what makes our machines so unique in the industry. We'll come over here to Wayne. Wayne's going to show us how he actually cuts one of the aluminum arms. A little bit of oil. Each aluminum arm is individually cut. Then of course it has to be sanded, machined, everything perfect before it goes on to the machine. Thank you, Wayne. So that gives you a little bit of an insight as to what goes into making our machines so precise, so exacting, and that's why companies that are interested in maximizing their precision and profitability That's why they choose this machine. Feather-light rotational characteristics, everything dial indicated, super precise. Every machine goes through numerous quality assurance checks before it leaves the factory. The machine is completely assembled at the factory. We simply take the arms off for shipping, and you'll receive the machine the same way I received the machine at a trade show. You get the base of the machine all together as you see it here. You plug the arms in. 45 minutes later, the machine is ready to go. The floating head is going to give you flawless precision for decades. This is what we call the forever machine. You buy it one time, you never have to go out and buy another machine. Let us know when we can provide one for you. Thanks so much.